Wow, look at that hairdo. Oh my god. Hang on a second, guys. Wow. So if you're wondering, yeah, I am getting a haircut today. This is getting out of hand. Oh man. Always keep a good appearance. You know, people won't look at you like you're crazy. Anyway, hey, how's it going? We're streaming early morning. More or less, it's about 10 in the morning, so that's actually pretty early, I guess, if you're a full-time streamer, of which I am not. But today we're going to do a quick one. We're going to do Blood Furnace. So I've already done a lot of the prep. I've gotten another hour on the monk buff because we don't give a shit. Yeah, like, I'm not going to do anything outrageous like try to do Underbog at level 68. You know, that's not going to happen. You know, we're going to still try to keep things within reason. But if I slightly overlevel the content, I'm not going to sweat it. And for the most part, it's usually like maybe one level above what I would consider like, you know, the legit challenge. Like, in this case, like 61, I think, is the legit challenge level for Blood Furnace, for instance. But maybe I hit 62, and it looks like I probably will hit 62 pretty easily. May even hit 63.
What can I do for you?
But that's okay. I mean, there's plenty of dungeons in here. Oh, okay, do we get anything good here? Not really. What was the other healing band? No, that, no. So we really get nothing. We get some more stamina on that, but I wouldn't wear that anyway. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get some good stuff in here. Let's get our food buff. What I really should do is start looking at getting some potions in my spare time, or getting some flasks. Okay, here we go. We're gonna CCU. Ooh, these guys are gonna stun me today. All right then. Fine. That's not going to be good when I'm in a pack. I'll tell you right now. Now the question is, I'm going to have to pull these guys out. That might have been a mistake. It's manageable. Let's get that elusive brew out. I just don't want to pull these other guys. That's my only thing. Alright. Oh, those heals are just anemic, aren't they? Let's get you over here, and then we'll kill you. Wow, did my healing ball un-CC him? That was pretty good. That didn't work. Oh, so that's one thing I'm just reminding myself I need to do leg sweep. So let me take leg sweep. I'm gonna put you there.
Believe your pathetic sorcery.
Yeah, I don't want to get chain stunned. Thanks. That's why we're playing it a little easy here. Playing it conservatively. Bonk. Alright, so we have a... there's going to be a rogue in here. And if there isn't a rogue, we're going to have to wait for him. There he is. Can't sneak up on me. I think there might be another one up here. There he is. And there was me dispelling the poison. Alright, I think that's the only... I think there's only two of them up here, so... Oh shit, no! Oh shit, and I'm stunned too. Let me kill that guy really fast. So I did, I lost count. There were more rogues than I thought. Oh, well, that's one quest down. Or actually, yeah, I still have to do Felon Fusion Rod, which I don't know where I get that from. I must get it from one of these guys. Come here then. And that's level 62, folks. Alright, let's take you out here. Took care of that rather handily. Yeah, this dungeon has a lot of just heavy packs. God damn. Heal up. This guy, this Legionnaire. So there's another room that's all full of dudes. Alright. Okay. So, question is, can I get this guy? CC him. Bring this guy forward. Set these guys on fire because why not? Alright. Lot of guys on the way to the boss. We got a couple packs up here, and there's like 3 or 4 packs inside that room. Gotta pull this guy down here. Oh, and there's Manaroth down there. Or, no, I'm sorry, not Manaroth. Who's the other guy? Magtheridon, that's the guy. I'm getting my pit lords mixed up. Most of them start with the letter M, though. Okay, so we will... I think we can just... Nah, we're gonna have to split them up, I think. That's a lot of damage. Drink all that. So look at that, we still got a lot of packs over there. Oh, and they got the guys with the drop the bombs too. We gotta be careful of those. Stunnage. Alright, come on, boys. Let's do this. Wanted to do. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Oh, that was me. I just walked into it. I wonder how much of that guard it took. That's right. You wait your turn, baby. I'll take care of your buddy. Yeah, well, like dots, I guess like the dot damage won't kick off paralysis, but the big explosion will. Fair enough. Okay, so... Oh, we still have a Pat running around here. Hold on. LOSU, buddy. Let's get out of the way. Do. I think we can just get him right now. There. Okay, maybe the bombs aren't so bad. Yeah, you can put the bomb right there. I'll get to you in a minute. Whee! Oh, and I did set off the bomb. Oh, and I'm gonna set this one off too. Ooh! Yeah, I mean... It doesn't do no damage. Yeah, that dynamite, man. Kaboom! Alright. Alright. First boss. I can't remember if he does anything. I don't think he does. Here we go. You get tentacles, buddy. Yep. Alright. Iron Blade Gauntlets plate. Useless. I'm trying to think if one of these guys might not be CCable. Did I do that? I did. Oh, crap! Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh, shit! Boy, we're gonna be boned here. got no roll. He's running for his life. Run. Nothing is impossible! Nothing is impossible if you have a long enough way to... Oh shit, here we go. Ah, shit. If you have a long enough way to run, you can win. Ow! And now I'm just gonna run over bombs. Oh, that was panic right there. That's not how you do this if you want to do this smoothly. But we did clear out 6 or 7 guys, so I guess in that sense it's alright. Yeah, we cleared all these guys out. There he is. Make sure to clear these rogues out. More bums. Bums and bums and bums. Boom. How about a boom? Boom. Can I LOS this guy? I can LOS him. Good deal. I would like the Breath of Fire. Oh, they got the Summoner. I will CC you. Clang. That's a long time to get stunned. I will ride that out though. Whoop, please hold. Oh, and they're gonna walk back. Alright. Give me 1 second here. Alright, there we go. Okay, and I'm pretty sure there's a rogue down here too. That stun. Is there no rogue down here? It's gotta be a rogue over here, right? Isn't he just lurking over in this corner? There he is, see? I know where you guys are hiding. And more packs. More and more packs. "45-second cooldown on the leg sweep, though. God damn. I almost feel like maybe I will switch it to the other one. These guys are too freaking close. They're gonna pull the other pack unless I let them go to the corner and do that. There you go. Ow. Let's get these guys out of here. No guard. There's the guard. Sometimes it kind of helps. It's all lining up with resolve. Or there it is, resolve. There we go, see? There's something about like when you take a certain amount of damage and then you heal like right after that. Let's pull these guys out. Oh crap, I got them all. Okay. Woohoo! Oh shit. You're dead. Oh man, that's gonna blow me up too. Boom. Oh, that guard did not last long. Boom. Did I leave the summoner up again? God damn it. Alright. Whoop. Sorry, distracted by the phone. Try to counteract the corruption. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now we gotta beat the crap out of these guys. Here we go. You nothing. Oh, but I'm stunned. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Oh, shit. I have to heal that one up quick. Oh, what the fuck? What a smash that was. God damn. Oh, pff. Stagger, you asshole. Ooh, shit. No, no! I couldn't break it. I did not have a stun break. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, man, I gotta run all the way back. Oh, what bullshit. Oh, man. Fucking stuns. Was that the third or fourth pack? That was the fourth pack, right? God damn. Too many stuns. So it looks like I am going to hit. I'm pretty confident I'm going to hit 63. And that's fine, quite honestly. Because as you can see, even if I'm leveled up a little far, it's still got a reasonable challenge to it. All right. God, not only it's this run back, but then it's the run back to the boss. I'll turn you in. God, those guys did a serious beatdown. Yeah, and for that, I don't think you can you can kind of CC a little bit, but Oh, what a run back. I hope that didn't start that whole thing over again. That would kind of suck. I still have to figure out how I'm going to get past that third pack. Oh, where'd you come from? What's up, buddy? It's a pretty cool design. They're just pumping demon blood out of Magtheridon. It's a really cool, I don't know, some really cool ideas that they were playing with. Now, did the entire fucking thing respawn? I think it did. Yeah, it did. Okay, all right, well. Okay. Am I just gonna have to kite these guys? I mean, maybe that's how I do it. Although I know one guy, I know they do charge, I think. Yeah, see? Burn, bitches! Oh, wait. I think they got it. Shit, that was not good. Okay. Okay, I need that fucking keg smash to come back up. Fuck you guys. Give me the heals! Uh-oh. Alright, here we go. Fucking come on then! No time for this. Boy, these guys. Alright. That takes care of that pack. Little kiting frenzy. Alright, big boy. Come on, big boy! Yeah. Oh boy, that hurts. But so does Touch of Death. And I got a gun. Isn't that exciting? That's the thing. I don't think I need to kill everybody in this pack. As a matter of fact, well, these guys do a big old knockback. So, oh hey, surprise! There, while I'm here, while I'm standing over here. Make some heavy frost weave here, or heavy nether weave, I should say. So I have some band-aids. Okay, so I don't think I can CC him, but let's see if I can CC him. Hey, I can. Come here then. Get over here. And that is 63. So now officially this is the area where I would feel sort of uncomfortable about playing, because I feel like maybe this is where it makes it a little more trivial. No, you don't. Come over here. Oh yeah, see that? Oh look, and you're in there too. You just never know. Never know when these freaking rogues are gonna come out of the woodwork. Come here. Yeah, see here I can see it's like I'm starting to give him a little bit of a beat down. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can get this guy, see if I can get them all LOS'd here. Bring them all down. There we go. Not so tough. Now I'm going to say there's no more rogues down here, but I could be wrong. CC? Alright. Come here, buddy. Guys hit kind of hard. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. Oh boy. He's pretty big. Wait, are they both annihilators? Why does that guy look bigger? Oh, that's why. Okay. Stunned in the face. God damn it. The fucking DR on that shit. Come here. I just don't want to blow up that fucking Felguard. Okay. There we go. Big Band-Aid. The problem is I always end up getting screwed by stagger. Like stagger will just interrupt first aid. That's the bad part about it. That's why I want Purifying Brew really bad. Okay. Alright. So now we gotta kill all these knuckleheads.
You fools! He'll kill us all!
I have Do Not Disturb on. Why is that happening? Oh shit, here we go! Sack up! Sack up, boys. Alright. Yeah, his health's going down pretty quickly. How bad can that be? How bad can it be? As it turns out, not all that bad. And the Blood Furnace is officially completely lootless because I just got nothing but shit. A gun, plate hands, cloth. Ugh. And there's our boy down there getting bled. Little Maggie. Oh my god. Well, guys, we're now, yeah, halfway into 63, it looks like. Yeah, I've got Do Not Disturb on. Why am I still getting guild invites? I don't know. Really weird. I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to check some settings. All right, we turn these guys in, and whoop.
What's on your
Since I'm not using any of these, I'll take the one that's most gold, and same with this. We will take those. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 63, and the Blood Furnace is now conquered. So our next objective will be the slave pens, and that's going to be we're going to be fighting the Naga in Zangarmarsh, in the Coilfang Reservoir, or whatever the hell it's called. But anyway, we're going to fight the fish people, the fish lizards. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're just moving right along. I may keep the monk buff for this. I have a feeling this next one I'll probably turn the monk buff off, just to kind of slow down the XP, and then I'll just pick it up again. You know, like I said, strategic monk buffing, which is the name of my new indie band. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Like and share and subscribe. Do all the social media nonsense. Watch me on twitch.tv/MrBongwater. Follow me at Twitter, on Twitter at Mr. Bongwater, and see this video and all my other videos at youtube.com/MrBongwater. This is getting tacked on to the end. This is 16, part 16, I think. Yeah. So 17's coming up. It's gonna be the slave pens, and I may do that sometime today. So, but we're gonna catch a little break, and we'll come back later. I don't have any catchphrase at the moment. I'll see you guys next time.